To use Afterpay in store with your iPhone, start by ensuring you have the Afterpay app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and sign in to your account. Next, navigate to the Card tab within the Afterpay app and select Add to Wallet. This will prompt you to add your Afterpay card to your iPhone's Wallet app. Once the card is added, you can use it to make in-store purchases at participating retailers. To do this, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and select the Afterpay card. At the checkout, inform the cashier that you would like to pay using Apple Pay and Afterpay. They will then prompt you to hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. You will be required to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation notification on your iPhone. Afterpay will then split your purchase into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders and notifications when each installment is due. To avoid late fees, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each installment. You can also track your payment schedule and account activity within the Afterpay app. Using Afterpay in store with your iPhone is a convenient and secure way to shop at participating retailers, allowing you to split purchases into manageable installments. By following these steps and using the Afterpay app, you can take advantage of this payment option and enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later shopping.